people, so I want to tell you guys how you can pre-qualify for the Toyota credit card. And if you guys are looking to get another credit card, definitely you guys should stick around because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can pre-qualify for this credit card without that hard inquiry. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I talk to you guys about credit, I talk to you guys about real estate, and then I also talk to you guys about fitness and other things too. Make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you ever have any questions, you can simply go ahead and drop them down in the comments, or you can go ahead and schedule a call, or if you have any questions, then you can just call us 833 Rickita. Just call us, simply call us. You can we can answer any questions that you have there. Now, I have a lot of videos that I want to get out for you guys. It's so many different credit cards that can pre-qualify you, so definitely stick around for the next coming days. I want to make sure I make a lot of videos for you all. I had surgery on Friday, so no more babies for me, you guys, and I'm just resting up, but I want to make sure I made these videos because I'm losing my mind sitting in this house. I'm not gonna lie, I'm losing my mind. So I want to make these videos for you all. Now, all these credit cards I'm going to talk to you guys about, they can actually pre-qualify you. So they can pre-qualify you without giving you that hard inquiry. So if you're looking to get more credit cards, all you have to do is go to my website, All Things Rickita, and then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of the credit cards that can pre-qualify you without that hard inquiry. So if you're like, I don't know which credit cards I can get, try to go to the website, see what they can pre-qualify you for, and hopefully they can pre-qualify you for multiple credit cards. And if you want to go ahead and get them, go ahead and get them. But I really don't want to talk about credit cards that can't pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Like, tell me yes or tell me no, and just leave it at that. If they can't do that, then you need to move on and go about your business. But All Things Rickita, that's where you can see all the different credit cards. Now let's talk about this Toyota credit card. So I talked to you guys about the Lexus credit card previously. So the Lexus credit card, so many people said that they was able to pre-qualify for it. So congratulations to you all. This credit card is with the same company, so Community Bank, and with them, they're going to pull your Equifax credit report. Now I tell people, if you're going to get credit cards with Community Bank, you want to have at least like a 620 credit score, but they can pre-qualify you because you may have a credit score that's lower than that 620, or maybe you just don't know what your credit score is. They can pre-qualify you. So just see what they're going to say. They're going to say yes or no, and you can leave it at that. But a lot of people have been getting pre-qualified for this credit card. Now with the Toyota credit card, it's basically, to me, the same thing. So if you guys got that Lexus credit card, then perfect. Maybe you want to try to get this one if you have a Toyota, because with this credit card, with the Lexus credit card, they had a Visa credit card, and with this one, you guys can pre-qualify for theirs. But the most benefits that you guys will be able to get from this credit card is if you guys were to get like the store card, or if you have a Toyota and you're actually going there to the Toyota dealership to get different things like oil changes or buying things there or buying parts, then you guys will see the greatest benefits. Because if you can see right here, you guys will be able to get that 0% financing, so 0 interest for 6 months if you guys spend over $199. Now I really like that. I like when you guys have the option of getting that 0% financing, so you guys will have that for 6 months if you guys spend over $199. Now don't let that 0% financing trick you guys. And when I say trick you guys, if you guys were to get the credit card, you spend $199 on it, they're going to say, hey, you got 6 months to pay it, and you're going to have 0% financing. If you do not pay off that full $199 or whatever you spent, that's over that $199, they're going to charge you interest as if they started charging on that first day. So all that interest for that 6 months, they're going to give it to you all at one time if you do not pay it off in full by that 6 months. So don't get tricked, you guys. Make sure you pay it off right away. Now, I know I keep saying, you guys, I need to practice with that. Let me know if that bothers you. I know somebody else said that bothered them, that I keep saying that, but I need to work on my talking and my etiquette, you guys. I just did it again. I need to work on that. I'm going to definitely put my best foot forward. So if I make pauses, that's probably because I want to say you guys. So please bear with me. Now with this credit card, don't forget, go to their website, see what they can pre-qualify you for. And if you go to All Things Rickita, I'll have all of the credit cards there. I'll even have this one there also. So go ahead, scroll down, all the way down to the bottom. Especially if this video is newer for you, then you'll be able to see the Toyota credit card. If you guys are able to get approved for it, come back and let us know. But I always tell you all, try to have your credit score over that 620 mark when you're dealing with Community Bank, and they're going to pull Equifax. When I first started getting credit cards, I got a lot of my credit cards with Community Bank, and I knew they pulled Equifax. Equifax was my cleanest and my highest report, my highest credit score. So I always tried to see which credit cards can I get with Community Bank, because I'm just going to run it up with them. I'm going to get a lot of credit cards with them. So if you find that maybe, Community Bank is not Community Bank, but Equifax is your cleanest report. Try to get these credit cards that's with Community Bank. That's just like my suggestion to you, because you're going to be able to get so many different credit cards. Now, if you all are like, hey, Rickita, I can't get this credit card, or maybe you're trying to get other credit cards, try to see if you can pre-qualify for the other credit cards that's out there. I tell you guys about this all the time. Just go through my link, All Things Rickita. Just keep scrolling and see which credit cards can pre-qualify you. So a few credit cards I always tell you all about, because I really love them. The credit cards is the Apple credit card. That you also have the chance to get the Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. And somebody asked me about Navy Federal. Yes, you do have to have a membership to get a credit card with Navy Federal. You can just simply get a savings account with them. And a lot of times they're going to ask you, hey, how do you qualify for it? Because you have to have somebody in the armed forces, maybe in the military, or you yourself have to be in the military to qualify. I told them, hey, my granddad's in the Navy, and then they didn't ask me for documentation or anything. They just put me right through the system and gave me my account. And I asked her, hey, when can I apply for a credit card? She said, hey, you can apply for a credit card right away. And I just opened up more accounts with Navy Federal. So I really love Navy Federal. I'm going to keep promoting them and talking about them, because I really like that they can pre-qualify you. And if your credit score is really bad, they have their secure credit card that you all can get, where your credit card will graduate in 6 months. So you can put a $200 deposit down on that credit card, and that $200 deposit, after 6 months, you paying your bill on time, you keeping your balance low, and then all your other accounts, not just your Navy Federal account, all of your accounts have to be in good standing. If you do those different things, then in 6 months, they're going to increase that $200 card to a $2,000 card. So I always promote Navy Federal because of that. So if your credit is bad, you're trying to get all these credit cards, you're watching all these videos, because I say you can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry, and for some reason you're not getting it, you probably need to just boost your credit score and then start with some of these secure credit cards. Let them start reporting, keep the balance low, and then you're going to see your credit score go up a lot. Now, I have it so you guys can sign up for my exclusive membership to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. I have all the letters there. I'm going to add so many more letters onto the exclusive membership. Let me know what you all have problems with. I did good into that moment, so I guess I'm gonna give myself credit for that. But let me know what you all have problems with. Say if you have repossessions, you have charge-offs from your credit card company, you have late payments. Let me know what you have problems with, because I'm going to make a separate link for people that's inside the exclusive membership, so you can go directly to the letter to fix whatever you have. Or say if you want to just buy that letter, say if you like, Rickita, can I just give you $5 for that letter to get this account removed? I'm going to make sure I have that for you all too. That way, if you guys don't want to sign up for the membership, you don't have to sign up for the membership. I'll have it there for you all. I just want to make sure I'm helping you all. And if you ever have any questions, like I said, call or text us 833 Rickita, or schedule a call. I have it right there on the link. Now, I'm also talking more about my fitness, you all. So if you all need to start working on your fitness, definitely visit my store. I'm going to teach you all how I actually lost a lot of weight, especially all my baby weight. Don't forget, I just had my surgery on Friday to make sure I don't have any more babies. I'm so happy about that. I have 5. That's enough. So I'm very bloated now, but I want to teach you all how I actually remove so much baby fat. So definitely stick around. I'll tell you all about that. Now, I'm going to work on this, you guys. Let me know if it's irritating to you all. I think it's more irritating when I start stuttering. So just let me know. And if you all have any questions, like I said, leave them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget, go to All Things Rickita and pre-qualify for those credit cards, and come back. Let us know what you pre-qualify for. Thank you. Bye-bye.